Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. DJI is set to unveil some of the most groundbreaking drones this year, and the anticipation for their upcoming products is at an all-time high. Among the highly awaited releases, the Mavic 4 Pro stands out as DJI's most unconventional and advanced consumer drone yet. Leaked specifications suggest revolutionary upgrades, ranging from a redesigned camera module to powerful hardware enhancements. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to redefine aerial cinematography, making it a must-have for drone enthusiasts and professionals. Based on recent speculations, its official release could be just a month away. In this detailed breakdown, let's explore the exciting new features DJI offers with the Mavic 4 Pro and discuss whether it's worth the wait. Redesigned camera module. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mavic 4 Pro is its completely redesigned camera module, as revealed by the latest hands-on images from renowned leaker Igor Bogdanov. While the drone retains the triple camera setup seen in its predecessor, the new design brings substantial improvements in sensor capabilities. According to a spec list shared by Olv on X, the main camera will continue to feature the familiar 4/3-inch 24mm CMOS sensor, ensuring top-tier image quality and dynamic range. However, significant upgrades have been introduced to the secondary telephoto lenses. Both telephoto cameras will now feature larger 1-inch 1.5 CMOS sensors, with focal lengths of 166mm and 50mm respectively. These enhancements promise a substantial boost in zooming capability, capturing intricate details from greater distances without compromising quality. Enhanced portrait photography. A noteworthy addition to the Mavic 4 Pro is its support for lossless portrait mode. This feature will allow users to capture stunning vertical shots without sacrificing image resolution or quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or vertical social media content, this functionality is set to revolutionize drone photography by offering new creative possibilities. Next-generation gimbal stabilization. Stabilization is a critical factor in aerial cinematography, and DJI is raising the bar with the Mavic 4 Pro's improved gimbal system. Designed to withstand strong winds and fast-paced movements, the enhanced gimbal will provide ultra-smooth footage even in challenging conditions. This will be particularly beneficial for filmmakers and content creators who demand professional-level stabilization without the need for extensive post-processing. Advanced video capabilities. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to deliver unparalleled video quality with support for Apple ProRes 422HQ and the high-fidelity 4444XQ codec. The latter offers full 4:4:4 color sampling and alpha channel support, providing maximum flexibility for professional post-production workflows. These features will ensure superior image fidelity, making the Mavic 4 Pro an ideal choice for high-end video production and live broadcasting. Instant flight with auto power-on. DJI is introducing a highly convenient auto power-on feature with the Mavic 4 Pro. With this functionality, users can simply unfold the drone, and it will power on and be ready to fly instantly. This will save valuable time in field operations, allowing photographers and videographers to capture fleeting moments without delay. Quieter and more efficient propellers. Another exciting improvement is the newly designed propellers, which promise a quieter flight experience. DJI's ongoing focus on noise reduction ensures that the Mavic 4 Pro will operate with significantly lower sound levels, making it ideal for events, wildlife photography, and urban environments where minimal disturbance is crucial. Introducing the RC Pro 2 controller. In addition to the drone itself, DJI is expected to launch a brand new foldable controller called the RC Pro 2. This controller, as leaked by Jasper Ellens, will feature a foldable display design that enhances portability and convenience. While it is anticipated to come at a premium price, the RC Pro 2's compact form factor and advanced control capabilities will make it a compelling choice for drone enthusiasts who value portability and performance. Extended transmission range with OcuSync 4+. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature DJI's latest transmission technology, OcuSync 4+, which will offer an impressive range of up to 20 kilometers. This cutting-edge system will provide enhanced live transmission quality, lower latency, and improved interference resistance, ensuring a seamless flying experience even in challenging environments. Improved flight time. Battery life is always a key consideration for drone users, and the Mavic 4 Pro delivers promising improvements. According to leaked specifications from Olv, the drone will offer an extended flight time of over 50 minutes, with a hovering time of approximately 48 minutes. This enhancement will enable longer shooting sessions and reduce the need for frequent battery swaps, making it ideal for extended projects and commercial operations. Compatibility considerations. It's important to note that the Mavic 4 Pro will not be compatible with existing Mavic 3 accessories, including batteries, propellers, and radio controllers. While this may pose an inconvenience for current Mavic users, the new hardware and performance upgrades make the switch to the Mavic 4 Pro a worthwhile investment. Should you wait for the Mavic 4 Pro? If you're an aerial cinematographer or content creator seeking the ultimate drone experience, waiting for the Mavic 4 Pro is highly recommended. With significant upgrades across camera capabilities, stabilization, battery life, and transmission technology, the Mavic 4 Pro is poised to set a new benchmark in the drone industry. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or investing in your first high-end drone, the Mavic 4 Pro offers compelling features that justify the wait. Share your thoughts. What are your thoughts on the upcoming DJI MAVIC 4 Pro? Are you excited about the new features? Or do you think it's worth sticking with the Mavic 3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest tech updates and in-depth reviews.